What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you guys checking to see what's going on. Today we have to go over to A&A Performance. Basically they have a dilemma over there. They're running a BigBoost single turbo kit on a BMW F80 M3. And basically the dump tube that someone built, it's aiming towards the O2 sensors, it's hitting the block, and it's hitting the frame of the vehicle. But we're gonna go over there and check it out and see what we can do for him and see what's going on. I'm gonna bring over some Stainless Bros material, the best of the best, and let's see what we got going on. So let's get it. So this is a BMW F80 M3. Comes factory twin turbo, but they decided to go with a single turbo. And this is the dumps tube here that is really tight. So we got a pipe. Let's see what we got going on here. So we suited and booted it down here, chilling like a villain. Outside, it's pretty cold, but thank God I got my jacket, I'm valid. So the dilemma is, the downpipe won't fit, right? So I just looked at it, and I literally spent probably about 60 seconds, a minute, thinking about it, and I already came up with a solution. I'm about to show you guys. So, that's the dump tube. You can see right there, it's literally touching. And you can see right there, O2 sensors right there. And yeah, not gonna work. So if you look, you got all this room right here. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to cut it right there. I'm gonna put one of those 45s, and I'm gonna use some of the straight that I got here. Probably about like 3-4 inches, use the other 45 and come at an angle straight out to right there. So that's what we're gonna do and call it a day. So let's get started. All right guys, so I made my first cut. I decided to leave in a little bit. I was originally gonna cut right there. Shitty line, I know, but it was a mark. But anyway, so I was gonna cut there, but then I thought, I was like, I need a 45 off of that line. That's what I was thinking. But what if I can just spin this down and then maybe rotate that a little bit, try and get our angle going on. And so that's what I'm gonna do first. So yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do first. Gotta tighten that up first, the wastegate, gotta tighten that up, and then I'll put this on and I'll see what angle I can go with. I could be able to swoop right down there. You should be able to see that hole, and that's where we gotta go. So boom. So we got our pipe here. So now let's try and sneak in here. I'll try and record at the same time. I'll do this real quick. Now we got something to play with. See, it doesn't hit until, try and get you a nice view. So that hits there, but I can go up. I can go anywhere I want. But now I'm gonna tighten this wastegate down right about there, and then I wish they had a clamp for this, for the outlet to the wastegate, but they don't. It broke. So I don't even know what I'm gonna do. Honestly, I think I'm gonna maybe just tape it, and hopefully it holds. I'll mark a line just in case if you lose fitment or anything, you know that line is damn near close to where you had it. So, but all right, let's get started. This is the 90 and the 45 that I take together, and that's the last cut that I was talking about that really mattered. And always start with the sanding. Sanded it down, got a nice little bevel. Working with my Syncrowave 210 at the shop. All right, so I got my piece in the vise. I got my straight here, about to tack this on. All right, so she's all tacked up. Now I gotta tack where the green tape is and go from there, but so far the piece is looking good, exactly what I wanted. Now I'm working on the second piece that I need to tack. Once this is tacked, then I can completely weld it all up and then go back to the shop and put it on. Always clean your material before welding, especially titanium, stainless, and aluminum. The cleaner the material, the better the weld. Now she's all tacked up, she's ready to weld. Gonna throw her back in the vise. Now let the games begin. So we got our bad girl right here. Got it all welded up, ready to go. So here's a top view of how the dump tube sits on the wastegate. I'll show you a bottom view in the next clip. Yeah. Got a 1/4 inch on both sides over here and there.
Bro, it's
pretty dope.
They should have got your ass to make the kit.
And here's the dump tube on the wastegate in the car, tightened up. I'm very happy about how it came out. I kind of just winged that last cut and I was hoping for the best. But as you can see, it's not hitting anything, thank God. And it's not hitting or aiming towards the O2 sensor anymore. The customer is really happy and I'm really happy about it.